When to play piano without looking at hands. Advenine, Angelica asks, should a pianist look at their hands or at the sheet music while playing? Is it a bad thing to play by memory? A pianist will look at all three. You will look at your hands, the sheet music, and from memory. You will always look at your hands when you're playing, unless you are looking at the sheet music or doing something in your performance like closing your eyes. The times when we look at our hands and the sheet music are when we are learning. To check our placement, fingering, reaching to chords, low notes, and high notes. If you want to improve your reading ability and familiarity with the keys, a good method is to stop looking at your hands and only focus on the sheet music. You will be able to learn new sheet music easier because you won't be looking up and down as much. You will have a skill for playing without looking down at your hands. The top comment of the day goes to Srijan Srivastava on YouTube, who says, "Thank you so much, sir. You are making a great contribution with your teaching. Smiling face with smiling eyes, smiling face with smiling eyes, clapping hands, clapping hands. If these tips were helpful to you, please let me know. It would mean the world to me if you could leave a review and share with your friends. If you have any further questions, please send me a direct message on Instagram at Isaipayanahacks. I try to reply to every single message. Keep practicing, and most importantly, have fun."